Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix brightness controller not working or responding in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is at the start icon, do a right click and scroll up, then select the device manager, tap it to open. Once you have opened the device manager, simply expand it first. Once done, look for monitors. Okay, so I can see here monitors next to mice and other pointing devices. Once done selecting, click this forward arrow and select this integrated monitor. Once done, we need to disable and enable this monitor. How? Do a right click and go for disable device. Okay, then click on yes. Once it is being disabled, go back to the integrated monitor and enable this once again. Do a right click and click on enable device. Okay? So once you're done, just simply click this again, and this time you need to go for update driver. Okay? So the moment you click on that, these two options will appear, search for automatically and search for manually. Now you'll go first with the automatically search for drivers. Here, if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply close this window and select the monitor again. Do a right click, update driver. Then this time you need to go with manually search for drivers. Here in this new option, you need to proceed to the second one, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Simply click on it, and if you have two to three available model or driver seal, you need to try out one by one and check if what model will work for you. Okay? So in my case, I have only one, but if your case, if you have two to three other options, then try out one by one, then click on next and simply check what will work for you. Okay? So once done, simply close this window and you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have restarted your computer, check if your brightness controller is now working. And then let's see if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, which is at the start icon again, go for device manager, open it once again. And here, simply expand it to see more. And this time you need to go with display adapters. Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow. And this time you need to click this graphic cards that you have in your Windows or computer. Simply do a right click and go for uninstall device. Once you have uninstalled it, click this action and go for scan for hardware changes. The moment you have clicked it, it will be installed once again in your Windows or computer. Once done, proceed to the graphic cards again, do a right click, and this time you need to update driver. And here in this similar window that we have visited earlier, you need to go with automatically search for drivers. Once your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this and simply do a right click once again. Go for update driver. And this time you need to go for browse my computer for a list of drivers. And this time you need to again click this let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Here you will be able to see all the graphic cards available in your computer. Now here's the catch. You need to roll back the driver. How we can do that? Simply try again. Try out one by one and check if what graphic cards will work for you or will fix your problem. Again, simply click the first one and click on next, and the other one and click on next, and observe and check if what will work for you. Okay? So once done, simply close this window and you need to restart your computer once again. The moment you have relaunched your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then proceed to the third and last step, which is we need to open our command prompt. How we can do that? At the bottom search bar, type CMD. The moment you've typed it, the best match will appear. Here you need to go with run as administrator. And the moment you have typed it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected here. Here in this command print prompt, we need to input the command, which is ch key ds key. Click enter to proceed. And here you need to wait until the process is done. Okay, so once done, let's proceed by typing prompt here. Then click enter once again. And here I'll be pasting a command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. So you can also simply pause this video to take a note of this. Okay, so I'll paste this long command here. Let me just copy this, Control C, Control V, and then click enter. Okay, so just have to wait until your computer says that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Proceed to the other one, which is this. Okay, let me just Control C once again and Control V, click enter. Once done, type ASSOC, then click enter. Okay, so once all of this is done, just have to close this window and you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have restarted your computer, just visit once again the command prompt here at the bottom search bar, type CMD, then go with run as administrator once again. And when your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes. And here you need to input the command, which is sfc space / scan now, and then click enter. Your system will start to scan. This process will take some time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes or less than that. Just have to wait until the process is done. Leave this command prompt window open and don't turn off your computer. Okay, so that's it. Just have to close this window and restart your computer. And once you have relaunched your computer, I'm sure your problem will be fixed 100%. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.